So recently, I have the bullish tingles on a project that is Connext Network. And the TLDR with Connext Network is basically it's a protocol that allows developers to build applications on any chain, and that can be used with any token. Yes, I read that on CMC. That's the TLDR, and the best way to put it in a single sentence. And it's basically a user adoption type of protocol. Now, this project, by the way, is super small, okay, $32 million. And it's also ranked at the 2,467 position per CMC data. So super small volume just in the past, 24 hours, it's up a decent amount, but it's only did around 2 million, which is, again, quite small. Now, the one thing also to note just right off the bat for a quick con is the tokenomics, which is there is going to be obviously 90% that will come out into supply. So there's going to be a bit of inflation and a bit of tokens that will be minted. And yes, that is tokens. It's on the Ethereum chain. And so with that, there is also 1 billion as the maximum supply, which, as of right now, that seems to be like the standard, right? Is 1 billion tokens. So yes, currently just in, recently per the TGE, which wasn't too long ago, the project is obviously up 249% right now, but still, I think this project has a lot of room to grow. And I got the bullish tingles on it. I mean, let me tell you, I got the bullish tingles. And it looks pretty good on chain as well. There's a decent amount of money that's moving into the project. Today, we're going to be talking about Connext Network, obviously, at this point. If you don't know, now you know. And I also just want to say, I posted this to my school group. If you guys don't know, School is a awesome platform that basically takes all the cool elements of Discord, Telegram, puts it into one, and it's just a really easy to use platform. Super simple. I love it so far. And I've been posting so far. Today I posted twice. I posted one of my trades today, and that was for Next. And also I previously posted a video in the morning of just some of the projects that I'm watching as well today and just in the past couple days. So make sure to join. As of right now, it's completely free, but in the future, it won't be. So make sure to join right now to get lifetime access, absolutely free. So first things first, this project came onto my radar because I actually saw that there was around $2.3 million of smart money that recently got injected. Yes, injected into this protocol. So smart money basically means per Nansen, which is what this platform is. It's Nansen. It's an on-chain analysis platform. So smart money per Nansen's definition is basically profitable traders, people who are consistently profitable in making money. Where are they putting their money? And it basically finds out and uses obviously algorithms to find that, but it takes it and puts it in a very easy to use and read dashboard. I feel like I'm selling Nansen right now. And this is also some of the data that I post that I will be posting continuously as well in my group, school.com/cryptogems as well. So with that, a lot of smart money has been moving into this project, and it's super small. So, in order for, around $2.3 million to be, put into a project that only has a market cap of $32 million is quite a lot. It says something about the project. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's buckle up. And I made a PowerPoint slide. Now with this, by the way, someone commented that they got bored of my post the problem with crypto is that it's very technical. And so in order to talk about a project, sometimes you have to get nitty gritty technical. And look, I'm not going to sit here and tell you about DAG and, directed cyclic graph algorithms and things like that. I'm not going to get that technical. But at the same point, you have to get a little technical with these projects. So someone commented that they got bored of, watching me read some PowerPoint slides. Of course, I provide some overlays to, keep you guys all right. But at the same time, if you can't sit through this and learn a little bit about this project, then you shouldn't be watching this channel at this point, okay? Because this is my thing. Anyways, I made it a little bit interesting though. Watch this. I put some animations. I made it slow moving, okay? There it is. So Connext Network is a blockchain protocol designed to improve cross-chain interactions, user experiences, and development efficiency through its modular design and advanced features. So the platform is a modular blockchain protocol developed to support the creation of X apps, facilitating rapid, simultaneous interactions across multiple domains. So overall, the platform seeks to render Web3 accessible to ordinary users by simplifying the intricacies associated with blockchain. So the primary goal is to enhance user experiences by ensuring interoperability between blockchain chains without introducing delays or relaying on additional scaling methods like rollups or sidechains. So the protocol adheres to principles of modularity, security, and simplicity. So Connext addresses issues such as slow app development and fragmented user experiences on Ethereum and other blockchains. So to achieve this, Connext adopts a specialized architecture featuring a hub and spoke model with canonical messaging bridges, smart contracts, and off-chain agents like routers, sequencers, and relayers. So Connext boasts key features, including the ability for developers to utilize next-generation DeFi protocols and enhance liquidity provision, and supporting activities such as yield aggregation, lending, borrowing, and asset swapping across multiple chains, which is also a bullish thing, right? Similar to like Thorchain, Multibit, etc. So the protocol facilitates the movement of cross-chain native NFTs between chains based on user needs, supporting fractional NFTs and enabling access to token-gated communities. So in terms of architecture, Connext smart contracts serve as interfaces between the protocol and users. So handling functions like xcall, asset registration, and liquidity provisioning. The diamond pattern is employed, featuring facets as logical boundaries for groups of functions, allowing for separate upgrades, which I know that's quite a technical sentence. So the messaging architecture involves connectors like Spoke Connector and Hub Connector, facilitating the transfer of Merkle routes through a hub and spoke structure. So off-chain agents, including routers, sequencers, and relayers, play crucial roles in providing liquidity, selecting routers for transactions, and executing smart contract transactions. So also the network was founded in 2017 by Arjun, and he also serves as the CEO. Now, when it comes to the tokenomics, first things first, like I said previously, there is 1 billion, which is quite the standard now. I see a lot of projects with that. And then first of all, there's governance. So people can use their tokens to vote on different protocol upgrades and different things like that and changes to the protocol. There's also ungovernance, which is kind of interesting. So Next facilitates the process of ungovernance, contributing to achieving true decentralization and permissionless operation of the Connext protocol. So this involves solidifying repeatable governance processes and embedding them directly into the underlying protocol. So when it comes to another thing for tokenomics is also network operations. So the future Next can be used to participate in the ungovernance of the network, and this includes making activities like routing, chain support, and token listing permissionless through Next staking, subject to approval by the Connext DAO. Now, when it comes to partnerships, in late 2023, Connext Network unveiled the Baco Network upgrade. Baco drastically reduces the operational costs of the network and allows Connext to expand to new chains and L2s rapidly. So, Connext also partnered with Tokensoft, a token launch and distribution platform, to launch cross-chain airdrops as a service. Through the partnerships, airdrop recipients can claim their tokens on any chain without bridging or paying unnecessary gas fees. So another one, Kinetics Network Protocol, integrated Connext as a modular interoperability protocol for securely passing data and funds across chains to enable a deeper focus on decentralization and security of cross-chain transactions. Another thing to note, which is pretty cool. Now, when it comes to, overall price action, right, it was kind of trading in this range at, around 20 cents to looks like, 19 cents, hitting this looks like low at around 17 cents. And, the project obviously is doing quite well since then. It's listed on HTX, which, if you guys didn't know, Huobi actually changed their name. I guess this was after the hack. I found this to be quite interesting. So they actually changed their name to HTX, which I know this has been a thing for a while now, but still I kind of find that interesting. So most of the volume is happening there. Looks like around close to $900,000 is happening through Huobi or HTX now. It's like FTX, very similar name. That kind of sucks. And then obviously Uniswap and then Bybit. So, it's not, I wouldn't really consider it listed on any tier 1 exchanges right now. So there is that, bullish bearish argument that you could have. You could argue that it's bearish because it's not listed on a tier 1 exchange for that tier 1 liquidity by all the retail. But you could also argue that, well, if you trade on it now, maybe it'll have that chance to also increase a lot in price, considering that it will open a door for massive amounts of liquidity with retail investors then. Yeah, this is kind of a two-way argument, obviously. Now, when it comes to, adopting, like networks that want to adopt like users into the space, right, into the whole Web3 space, this has been a narrative that I could see could also come up again, which I haven't really seen for a while. But another network that is doing this right now is Biconomy, or BICO, and it's ranked at $241 million, currently at the 194th position on CMC right now. It's a token on Ethereum, and it's also listed on the big exchange, Binance. Okay, I'm pretty sure they're probably maybe invested into it. I'm not fully sure, but it is listed on Binance, OKX, Huobi, and also Coinbase. So this is a big project, and their whole idea is basically to, right here it says, a multi-chain relay protocol that aims to improve user onboarding transaction experience on decentralized applications. So the project's declared goal is to make Web3 products as intuitive and easy to use as Web2 products. So that's basically their goals. And to me, Connext is a little bit more ambitious with their idea. And like I said earlier, Connext is an open protocol that allows developers to build applications to live on every chain that can be used with every token. To me, this seems a little bit more ambitious, and that's why I got the bullish tingles on this one. And it has a market cap right now of 32 million when we're comparing it to, for example, a project like BICO, which isn't necessarily a direct competitor, but it's at least like a user adoption type of protocol. That one has $241 million for the market cap. It also has the same, basically, almost not technically the same, but total supply is 1 billion tokens as well. So that's also another bullish thing to note. But with that, more of their supply is circulating versus Connext, which only has around 10% circulating. That's why the price is almost the same. So even though the prices are the same and they still have 1 billion for the max supply, what matters here is the current circulating supply, and that's why the price is similar in the 30-cent range. So with that said, if, for example, Connext had the same market cap of Bitcoin right now, that price for one Next would be worth $8,600, right? Now, obviously, that's not going to happen, and I don't see that happening. I'm not that crazy where I think this price is going to go to $50 in 5 minutes or something like that. I'm not going to say that. But at the same time, if, for example, let's just hypothetically say if it was that in the 250th position right now at blocks at $201 million, that would put the potential price of Next to be $1.89, or an upside of 511%. And that's just $201 million. So, for example, if it had that of BICO and BICO economy of 257 million, then that would make the potential price of one Next to be $2.41, or an upside of 681%. Sorry. So, for example, Connext right now is at 30 cents, right? And Biconomy is right now at 37 cents. So it's obviously because of the different circulating supply currently. But if, for example, in a bull run and, everything's obviously going up and there's more projects that obviously will need adoption for new users and also developers, I definitely see Connext Network as possibly hitting this market cap. And obviously with every single market cap increasing a lot, but I definitely see Next hitting that $250 million zone to bring it to that potential price of like $2.41. I could see it hitting that zone. Now, I could definitely see the price struggling to go above $1 for a little while. Usually most projects, when they get close to $1, usually they sell off right before $1. Mint Layer was a prime example of that, because most people are taking large profits before $1. But I could actually see this project in the future hitting this range, like the $250 million range, given the potential of the project. So let me know what you guys have to think about Connext Network in the comments down below. I'm super bullish on it. I think it's really good. The website also looks really good. I know some people Probably wonder, why is the website looking good have anything to do with the project? Well, it kind of does. I think a good UI of the website is super important, especially in the crypto space where, you know, websites have to look super good, super clean, super new and fresh, modern, mostly futuristic as well. I think that's extremely important in this space because have you ever gone to, for example, you find a crypto project that you're kind of bullish on, and then you go to their website, it looks like someone's grandfather made it. It looks like pure garbage. I'm never bullish on those projects that have websites like that. So the website looks really good. I love it. I love the UI, and overall, I love this project. I've definitely, on my group, I've shown that I've been placing a trade as well, and pretty soon I'll probably be, dollar cost averaging more into that position as well. So we'll see how this happens, how this goes, how this plays out, but it's definitely a project that I got the bullish tingles on. Anyways, guys, my name is Trevor, also known as Mint Max. See you in the next one.